Hi, so today I want to show you how to make your scrambled eggs perfectly fluffy and taste good at the same time. Scrambled eggs are one of those things I like eating any time of the day. They're healthy, they're super delicious if you cook them right, and today I want to show you how to do that. So first, I like to start out by breaking my eggs on a flat surface. And I like breaking them like this. In this bowl, I will be doing 3 eggs, and I will show you how to do them. So first, you want to start off by beating your eggs, and I'm using a fork to beat them. You can also use a whisk to whisk them as well. So this is what they looks like after they're fully beat. I beat these for like 40 seconds. So you want to melt some butter in a pan, and I'm melting this on medium to low heat. And I'm using a tablespoon of butter to do this. You can also use olive oil to do this, but I'm using butter because I like the flavor of the butter better. So now that the butter is fully melted, you want to add your eggs to the pot. Okay, and you want to wait until the eggs start cooking before you turn them. You don't want to just do this because this will result in soft, runny eggs, and they will just mushy and not come out good. So you want to wait, and then after it starts cooking, you want to turn from the edges and pull that to the middle. Okay, and the ones that's not cooked yet will go at the edge, and you do this each time. And be sure your stove is on medium heat. So each time you want to take it from the edges and pull it to the middle, and you want to do this slowly. You don't want to rush it, because if you rush it, then it will result in bad eggs. Okay, so and now when it reaches this stage, you want to turn it over so that the other side can be cooked, and you can remove it from the stove at this point because it will finish cook after it's removed from the stove. When it's at this stage, you want to remove it from the stove. It's a little soft right here, but it will finish cook after, and you want to use a soft spatula to do this. And now it's time to season the eggs. You can put whatever you want in it at this stage. You can either use cheese. I will be adding a little salt, like a pinch of salt, and some black pepper. But now is at the stage where you can add whatever you want on it. You do that now. Okay, so this is what my eggs looks like after they're done. I also want to show you what I like eating my eggs with at the end of the video. And please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Press the notification button so that you can see when I upload a video. And thanks for watching. Bye. This is my breakfast. Everything is all done. If you want to see how I make these biscuits, please comment and let me know.